Obscure Wars in American History. Number 14. Bleeding Kansas. Bleeding Kansas is a term used to describe a period of violence and political turmoil that occurred in the Kansas Territory in the years leading up to the American Civil War. The conflict arose from the tensions over whether Kansas would enter the Union as a free or a slave state. In 1854, Congress passed the Kansas-Nebraska Act, which allowed for popular sovereignty to determine whether Kansas would be a slave or a free state. This led to a rush of pro-slavery and anti-slavery settlers moving to the Kansas Territory, with each group seeking to gain control of the territory and influence its future. The conflict quickly turned violent, with clashes between pro-slavery and anti-slavery groups becoming increasingly common. These clashes often involve acts of violence, including arson, assault, and murder. The situation in Kansas became known as Bleeding Kansas due to a large number of violent incidences which occurred during this period. The violence reached its peak in 1856 when pro-slavery forces attacked the town of Lawrence, which was known to be an anti-slavery stronghold. In retaliation, the radical abolitionist John Brown led a group of men in an attack on a pro-slavery settlement in Pottawatomie Creek, killing 5 people. The conflict in Kansas helped to further polarize the North and the South and contributed to the outbreak of the American Civil War. In 1861, Kansas entered the Union as a free state, marking a significant victory for the anti-slavery movement. But at the same time, the American Civil War was going on.